Hello everyone. In today's video, I will guide you on how to create a list of replied messages. So first of all, we will have to go to the list and then click on create list, contacts, then next. So you can also give the name to your list as per your requirement. So we have three different scenarios in which we can create a list for the replied messages. So starting with number one scenario, that when you want to identify the number of messages received from customers over the past 7 to 8 days, we will go to the add filter, search for Vera, message received, occurred, is between. Like I want to check the messages I received in last 7 days. So I will select the date from last Friday to this Friday and then click on review and save. In this way, I'll get a report for the replied messages I received from the customers. So second scenario is when you need to track how many users have responded to a campaign. In this case, we need to select that particular list we have used to enroll the campaign. So, firstly, we have to click on list membership. Then we will select that particular list we have enrolled in the campaign and then click on add filter, Vera, message received, occurred, is after. Suppose I ran the campaign day before yesterday, that was 11. So I will select the date 10 so that any messages I received after 10th, it will comes up in this list. So this is the second scenario in for the campaign. Now let's discuss for the third scenario, that is for workflow. When you wish to analyze the number of reply received from users who were enrolled in the workflow on a specific date. So we will go to the workflow enrollment. In select that particular workflow we have enrolled and we want to analyze the report. So suppose I am selecting this. Click on add filter, Vera, WhatsApp message received, occurred, is after. Same way, if I enroll the workflow yesterday, then I'll select the date, day before yesterday, that is 11, so that any message received after 11 that will come up in this list. So this is how we can create a list for the replied messages. Thank you.